Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. It's RXD. So today what I'll bring to you is God of War. There's this part where I was caught off guard. This is God of War 2018. If you get to the heart of the mountain, I'm sure you see some red crystals, and you try to maybe bring out the yellow shock arrows from Atreus. Yes. So what you need to do here is not actually bring out the arrows. What you need to do is to get to this wheel. As you can see there, you have to get to this wheel. You need to get up to this mountain before you'll be able to unlock the shock arrows. But if you get online, maybe to YouTube, you'll see some of them unlocked the arrow already. I don't know how they did it, but right now what you need to do is just get to this wheel, and from there you can kick off. Just ignore the red crystals and make sure you get to the top of the mountain. That is where you get the yellow shock arrows available or unlocked. Thank you.